Hi, I'm Peggy from Peggy's Tropical Garden. Welcome to my plant haul. My first time plant shopping at Walmart and I was not disappointed. Look at these cordyline that I found on clearance at Walmart. They are so big. The regular price was $11. I would have easily purchased them for that. But I was able to find them for $8.25 on clearance. Woohoo! I'm happy about that. These will really help to add the tropical to my tropical garden. Next, I found these crotons. They're a little different than what I'm used to finding. These were not on clearance, but I thought they were so cute. They're tiny. I hope they make it, but they're just so cute. The little speckles of yellow on the green foliage. And for these, I only paid $2.94 a piece. I picked up 3 of them. And then also at Walmart, I found these cute little bromeliads with the red tips. Look at them. Don't they look like somebody took a spray paint can to them? I just think they're so cool looking. That'll definitely add a nice pop of color to my bromeliad bed. So I had to get those. I purchased 2 of these. They were $6 a piece. Not the best deal, but not a bad price either. And my last plants from Walmart were these alocasia. I picked up 2 of these. They are, I believe, African mask. They're the first alocasia I've ever had, so I'm excited about putting these in the garden. I think every tropical garden needs some elephant ear. Now these were on clearance. I picked them up for $6 a piece and they were $2 off. Okay, next up was IKEA, where I found this peperomia, and I believe I paid $4.99 for it, but I wouldn't swear by it. I love the variegation. Also at IKEA, I found this crassula jade plant. Very nice looking, very healthy, very full. I had to get that. I believe I paid $6.99 or $7.99 for it. Love it, love it. On to Home Depot, where I found this beautiful neon pothos. I ended up getting a small and a large one of these. This is the large one, and I paid $15.98 for it, and it's a 3-quart. The bright green just really stands out. Next, for $9.98, I found this beautiful Echeveria Petrus Pearl. Also for $9.98, I found this barrel cactus. This will be a great addition to my cactus and succulent bed. I was so pleased with my plant haul. I get home, and as if this day could not possibly get any better, I find that my potting bench has been delivered. So of course I had to put that together so that I could share it with you. Now, I purchased this on Amazon. You do have to assemble it. I did it by myself. It didn't take really long, but I ended up painting it also because I wanted it to be in black so that it matched the furniture and things on my patio. I like this one because it had the cabinet, the little storage cabinet, where I could put things and make it look a little neater. It has the shelf at the bottom where I can store things. Nice metal top. It's kind of solid. It's not the highest quality bench I've seen, but it definitely suits my purposes. It also, I like that it has this little shelf on the top where I can put my little pots so that my plants can keep me company while I'm potting things up. Also, it has a little hooks on the side where I can put my shovels, my scissors. It has a drawer where I can store things. It's a perfect potting bench. I hope you enjoyed this plant haul. It was a pleasure sharing it with you. I'm going to go rest up for the next one. Take time out to do something fabulous in your garden. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care. Bye-bye.